The one thing that keeps us together is acknowledging we're not the same. I mean, we both want the same things in life, but we've got our own ways of getting them. And we make room for these differences. Like this virtual cockpit. He's a bit of a control freak. Keeps tabs on everything. Me? I'm more of a big picture kind of girl. Our love for each other? Nothing different there.
Virtual Cockpit in the all-new Fabia.
Finally, the cockpit of your car can look the way you want it. You can list through the different layout options by pressing the lower right button on the steering wheel and choose your personal layout. To customize the information displayed in the central part of your cockpit, press the lower left button and use the right rotary knob to switch between the various information displayed. Press the scroll button to choose the one you want to be displayed. You can also change the settings via the infotainment. Click on the vehicle icon to enter the vehicle status. Then choose Selection and Virtual Cockpit. Here, you can select one of the preset modes or customize what appears on either side of your virtual cockpit. Virtual Cockpit in the all-new Fabia.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.